Okay, question 2. A trapezoid ABCD is transformed by a reflection in the y-axis followed by a rotation 180 degrees clockwise about the origin to obtain trapezoid A', B', C', D'. Which answer choice correctly shows the image trapezoid A', B', C', D'? So again, I am a very visual person, so I would do this step by step. So I would first remap out this trapezoid. So A is at -3, 3, -3, 3. I guess I'll just label these in different colors so I'm not having to label with the letters. So -1, 3. C is at -1, 1. And D is at -4, 1. Oh, yellow is a little bit more challenging to see, so I'll switch it to green. Okay, so now it is first reflected in the y-axis. So mark again, here's our y-axis. Reflection means it's going to be at the exact same level and the exact same distance away from this line. So point B is 1 unit away. So it'll be 1 unit away right here. Point A is 1, 2, 3. So 1, and it'll be 3 units away from this line, the line we reflected by. So 1, 2, 3. Point C is 1 unit away from the line of reflection, so it'll be 1 unit away on the other side. And point D is 4 units on this side, so it'll be 4 units on this side. So that is our first reflection about the y-axis. Now it's going to be followed by a rotation 180 degrees clockwise. So what I am going to do, this is where I draw an L like this. And that is because I can easily rotate this L 90 degrees. So this would be 90 degrees clockwise. So that means this long side would now be facing this direction and that short side would be straight down. And then if I did it at 90 degrees again, the long side would be pointing straight up and this would be pointing this direction. And if I did it again, it would be flat and pointing up. So this is how I rotate points. So with that being the explanation of why I'm choosing an L, I'm going to use orange. So here we go. For point A, here's our origin, since that is where it's starting, clockwise about the origin. So from the origin, it is up 1, 2, 3, and over 1 unit. So it's up 3, over 1. There's our L. So if I were to rotate it 90 degrees, it'd be 1, 2, 3, down 1. And if I rotated it another 90 degrees, because we're doing 180, it would be straight down 1, 2, 3, and over. So this is where point A is going to end up being A'. So we're going to do it again for point B. Let me erase this. Oh, point A disappeared. Okay, so now we're going to do it for point B. So from the origin, it's up 1, 2, 3, over 1, 2, 3. So again, 1, 2, 3, down 1, 2, 3 would be 90 degrees, since this line moved 90 degrees, and another 90 degrees makes 180. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is where B' would be. So then we'll do it again for C, And I hope by now we're catching on to the pattern that 180 degrees of 1 over 1 is just going to end up being over here. So this rotation is going to be down 1 over 1. That's how it would look. So this would be the 90 degree one, over 1, down 1, and then that would rotate again, over 1, down 1. So this is where point C is, C prime. And the last one we have, I could do it another way if I'm tired of doing the rotation, and I could notice that reflections and rotations keep the same distance. So I'm noticing this is A prime, B prime, C prime. So from C to D, this is 1, 2, 3 units. So it would be 1, 2, 3 units. So this would be D prime. So that is what the new image would look like, and so I'm going to be looking for that, and it matches this one, negative. It's -4, -1, -4, -1. So there is our image. I hope that helps.